SmartBox is a portable storage company that provides convenient, affordable storage and moving solutions. An excellent alternative to traditional storage facilities. We deliver storage units to your home, apartment, or business. You can take your time packing, and there's no need to rent a truck, and you're going to save a lot of money. And when you're done, we'll actually return and pick up the unit and bring it to our secure and accessible warehouse facility.
We have some of the most competitive rates for the industry, and our customer service blows the competition away. Family owned and operated, if you call the local office, you will get one of the 3 active owners, Eddie, Brian, or Peter, and we'll do everything we can to make your storage or moving process as simple as possible.
About 2 years ago, I started using SmartBox. I've had about 3 to 5 boxes over that time. The staff is very friendly and courteous. The boxes are very reliable. The service is affordable and extremely convenient. It's the best storage facility that I researched, and I tell people that all the time. I said, you know, you're not going to get a better deal that's this convenient.
Give us a call, and we look forward to solving your storage problems the SmartBox way.